Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to install any program without admin password or without any permission. Let's go ahead and try to install Steam on a computer that you cannot install any program without a permission, admin password. First of all, this is the file. I'm gonna install it, but this is under a domain and you cannot install it. But let's see. As you see, I have to have a permission. I'm not able to install it. First of all, create text document and just type downloads. Just give it a name. It's not important. And then our command is gonna be set underscore compat underscore layer equals RunAsInvoker and start space whatever the program is. For example, we're gonna install Steam. This is Steam from the website, Steam website. Let me download it. The download file right there. This is the let's put the name SteamSetup, as you see, and then I'm just gonna save this as not txt but bat under name folder, save, and it's right there. Normally when I click on that, it asks the admin password, but I don't have it. What you need to do is click on this and it's gonna install it. See, that's it. Whatever you want to install it, just download it and put in the same file, this BAT file, and then just get the name, copy it and put it next to start. When you do that, just close it and save it and click on this twice and it's gonna install by itself.